In a container with 8 chicken drumsticks, add a teaspoon of salt, black pepper to taste, half a teaspoon of nutmeg, a teaspoon of paprika. Don't forget to leave your rating at the end of this video from 0 to 10. Add breadcrumbs to a bowl. Now just roll the chicken drumsticks in the flour. Take the time to tell me which city you're watching us from, so I can thank you and send you a hug. In a pan, add a tablespoon of butter, olive oil to taste, once the butter has melted, put the chicken drumsticks in to fry. Fry until golden brown on both sides. Make this recipe at home and come back and let us know how it turned out. Now that they're fried, add 150 milliliters of white beer. Leave on the heat for another 5 minutes. And our recipe is ready. They're delicious and tasty. Your family will love this recipe. Thanks for watching. See you next time and enjoy.